Do you know that you can make money with your profile? Yes, your personal profile, that's your Facebook account. For those of you who are stuck under 5,000 followers and they have engagement on their profile, instead of opening another page, it's better you continue with your personal profile. If you follow what I'm going to teach you in this video, you'll be able to turn that profile into a page and you start making money with it. So Facebook introduced what we call professional mode. This mode helps you to convert your profile to a page. That is, you will not be stuck with 5,000 followers again. You'll be able to get up to 50,000, 100,000 followers, and you'll be also unlock some monetization tools that will help you monetize your page and start making money. So one good thing about professional mode is that it converts your profile to have the qualities of a Facebook page. Like we have always said, monetizing a page is always better to monetizing a profile, but Facebook has made it possible for you to also monetize your personal profile. So if you follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video, you will be able to monetize your profile and also grow your profile beyond 5,000 followers to up to 100,000, 1 million followers. Let's go over to the video where I will teach you how to convert your personal profile to a professional mode, and it will have the qualities of a page and you'll be able to monetize that profile. Alright, so to turn your profile to page, what you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. So you are going to log into your personal Facebook account, not your page now, for those who have page. So make sure you are logged into your personal Facebook account. So this is one of my Facebook accounts. When you log in, you are going to click these three dots here on your profile. So you come to your profile, you're going to click these three dots. When you click it, you are going to see turn on professional mode. So look at it here. Look at it here. When you click on it, you are going to click on turn on. When you click it, you just give it some time and your profile will automatically be changed from a profile to a page. Now the advantage of this thing is that you will be able to have more than 5,000 friends, and your followers can reach up to 100k, 200k to even 1 million. Okay, so you click on next. They will tell you to choose your default audience. Please select public, don't put it in friends and custom. Select public, then you click on next again. Then you see review selection, use public default audience settings. So use public default audience. Okay, just click on confirm, don't set anything. Okay, here they are asking you who can see your post, stories and reels. Allow others to share your public stories and reels to their stories. Who can comment on your public post, public profile info, who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? Just say confirm. Okay, unless you want to edit any of these things, so read it very well, but I will advise to say confirm. Then here they are going to bring you to these monetization tools which will allow you to monetize your account. So here are the monetization tools: the stars, the bonus, this subscription, and in-stream ads. So you are going to click on next again. When you click on next, here they are showing your professional tools. That's your dashboard. Okay, they are saying you have unlocked new professional tools to help achieve your goals. So what you're going to do is to click on next once again, and here is your profile frame. This is what your profile will look like. They will tell you to add frame or share updates to your feed. You can decide to unmark. Okay, or you can decide to also leave it like that. Whichever one you do is fine. So just click on skip or next. Okay, well I always advise that you remove this frame. Remove the frame, it doesn't make any sense to me, so I always remove it. So you can skip and click on next, and here it is. You have successfully turned your page to professional mode. This way you can be able to monetize your profile like a page, and you also operate it like a page. So let's go to our professional dashboard. Let me show you how your professional dashboard will look like now that you have switched from your normal account to a professional mode. So this is it. They will bring you to your level. So here you are required to complete some levels, and you can just navigate, follow them, and do the tasks, moderation assist, comment manager, and the rest, and you are good to go. So let's come over to your statistics now. So this is what your account will look like. This is what your account will look like. Congratulations, you have 10 followers. These are just notifications from Facebook. So let's go over to my account now. Let's go over to my account. Let me show you how, so that we'll see how it looks. I'm just going back because it's already turned on, so I want to see my dashboard. So you see the difference now. See the difference, how my profile looks now. That means I have successfully turned on my professional mode, so it's looking like a page. All right, so this is how you turn your mode to page. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to share it. I call you away next time. Keep creating.